could life exist beyond Earth? The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, tunes into the cosmos, listening for signals that defy natural explanation, a whisper from the depths of space that could change everything. Enter the enigmatic Drake equation, not just a formula, but a beacon of scientific curiosity. It estimates the number of communicative civilizations in our galaxy, considering factors like star formation and the fraction of planets that could support life. But where to look? The Kepler Space Telescope has unveiled over 2,800 confirmed exoplanets. Among these distant worlds, some reside in the habitable zone where temperatures could allow for water, a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. SETI's quest is relentless, employing state-of-the-art observatories that scan millions of stars. These digital eyes and ears sift through cosmic noise, seeking a pattern, a signal, that could be the hallmark of intelligent life. The implications are monumental. If we detect an alien signal, it would mean we're not alone. It would redefine humanity's place in the universe and potentially unlock the secrets of cosmic civilizations. The search continues, fueled by our innate desire to explore and connect. Whether through signals, exoplanets, or yet undiscovered means, we remain vigilant, eyes fixed on the stars, ears open to the whispers of the universe.